Jesus Freak here. And it's just after 11 as I'm recording this. And I just got upstairs after running down to grab a package. Well, what I did is I've been, following the package like a hawk because, as I mentioned in a previous comment, I'm paranoid about my packages because I lost a $99 delivery some years ago. And I don't need that happening again. So, I watched it updating occasionally until the truck showed up on the map. And right now, instead of a truck icon, they're using a sleigh icon with presents, which actually kind of does like a hovering animation. It's kind of cute, really. Don't at me for using Amazon. The stuff I'm buying, some of it's a bit obscure. So, throw a winter jacket on because I know I'm probably going to be waiting a couple minutes outside. And it's white out there, so I know we're below 32 just because there's white on the ground. So I get ready and I'm standing there waiting for it to say you're the last stop. You're the next stop. And then I go right downstairs. Wait for the Amazon truck to show up and intercept the package. I believe everything I'm looking for is going to be in this little paper package here. Now, I said I had ordered a boombox with a line input, a Bluetooth receiver with a line output, and some batteries. You might say, well, that's a bit small for a boombox. I've had boomboxes about this size before. One of them even had line input. Alright, so technically don't need the batteries. I can run off wall power. Ooh, fumble. Smaller than I thought. Well, what all does a Bluetooth adapter really have to do, right? Is this C? Let's see. So I won't actually need the cable. I'll keep it here as a spare. But if I need to charge, I can run it off the cable right behind me where I charge my phones. And in fact, I'll do that right now. Light turned red. Alright. I'll move that out of the way after I'm off the radio. Alright. And I'll destroy that box afterwards. You would have to. Looks like it takes a wall wart that don't come with one. That actually surprises me. That's okay though. Because no, that's it. Wait, I don't. Thought I might need the scissors or a knife. I don't think I will. Stupid blister packs, huh? Always try to prepare for eventualities. Yeah, I'm gonna need the scissors. There we go. Heat blister packs. Oh, it did come with a wall wart. Take care of that residue. Probably not the best time to be doing that, but yeah. Worry about that later. All right. I guess when you have a thing plugged in, it automatically switches mode. Turn on the Bluetooth. Let's see if I can figure out how to pair this thing. Alright, let's see. There's a switch on the side, and it needs to be set to receive. Doesn't say. Ah, here it is. Bluetooth. Pair new device.
Power on.
There it is, J56.
Connected.
Alright. There we go. And just to make sure it works,
Love. I have become sounding brass or a clanging cymbal.
yep, I would say the setup works. Jesus freak out.